talks, he mentioned this sort of misapprehension about myself in the LA community. Hence,
what is sound? If an A chord is 440 hertz and you double 440 hertz.
It's an ambiguous place, it's unpredictable. You can't really predict what you're going to see next. You may see some deep-seated lecture on quantum electrodynamics. Next day, it's some guy.
And that's where I began to learn like certain areas of geometry, like the linguistics of sound.
Right, so that was like my online viral name. Ambiguity. The term is called word sense disambiguation, which is a problem that precedes back even before the 50s. Now,
Mutually exclusive disciplines converge.
because I was studying humor, what aspect of
Philosophical analysis, psychological analysis.